Wakwasi wa mame udoshe.
You this lady, you beautiful.
Wakwasi wa mame udoshe.
You this lady, you wonderful.
Wakwasi wa mame udoshe.
You this lady, but why you the rude?
Okay, mamu eni na me mudowe.
I go do, you go love me.
Hi guys, it's your Grace. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new to my channel, of course, welcome to the channel. So for today's video, we're going to be doing a super simple, beginner friendly spring look. Spring as sprung, and the looks are about to be beautiful. So for this look, it's super simple. I tried to make it as easy and simple as possible. I hope you guys do enjoy this video. If it's your first time stopping by my channel, thank you so very much for stopping by. Do not forget to hit that subscribe button and make sure you turn on your notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload. And let's get right into the video. right, I hope you guys did enjoy that super simple spring look. If you guys did like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you guys have any other video you want to see on the channel, feel free to comment it below. Let me know anything you want to see, challenges, anything. Just comment it below. Let me know how you guys like the look. Comment that below as well. If this is your first time stopping by my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you did enjoy this video. Do not forget to hit that subscribe button and make sure you do turn on your notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload. And just in case you're not following me on any of my social media, what are you waiting for? It's right there on the screen. Make sure you add me, follow me, let's become best of friends. With that being said, thank you guys always for all the love and all the support on my channel. I really and truly appreciate it. And I will see you guys all in my next upload. Bye! Mwah.